Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius, fire sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So Sagittarius, let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Fire sign Sagittarius. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Sagittarius. What are the messages for Sagittarius? Five of Cups with the Magician. Maybe right now you are in separation with your person. For some you are in no contact situation. For some if you are in contact with your person but this is on and off connection. Yes, you are feeling sad. And Magician energy, you will be in this energy near future. You will manifest whatever you want. So let's see your reading, Sagittarius. Recent past, Five of Wands, Chariot and Ace of Cups. I think there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. Five of Wands. For some, more than one person is fighting for your attention. And I think the movement between you and your person, especially in relationship wise, it is very, very slow. Yes, it was slow in past. Ace of Cups. Yes, definitely you have so much love towards this person. But at the same time, you are doing self-love also. For some, you are focusing on yourself. But there is a lot of drama going between and there are issues between you and your person. Then present Knight of Cups, Six of Swords and the Hangman. I think you are a little bit confused. Maybe one part of you want this person back, but one part of you want to move on. Yes, you don't want to depend on anyone, especially emotionally. And Knight of Cups, but someone is coming towards you. This could be a past person or could be a new person. But this person is in very slow moving energy and this person is very romantic. And for some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Six of Swords, there is a chance for communication. But you are feeling stuck, you're still confused. And you are going through some spiritual awakening also at the same time. Then future, the Tower, the Star and Three of Wands. Yes, without this person, you are going through a tower moment right now. Maybe for some health issues also. And the Star, but you are hoping something positive. And there is something positive shift is coming because the Star is a very, very positive card. And Three of Wands, again, you are waiting for some positive growth in your relationship or in your career, money. You more focusing on your career also. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius especially. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, another Sagittarius also. Or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer. Especially Cancer or Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. See, your person also feeling stuck. They are also thinking about you a lot. So let's see their feelings. Lot of cards I am not taking. So Sagittarius, your person feelings. Cards are just flying. So their feelings, their current feelings. Seven of Cups, the Star and Two of Wands with Ten of Cups. I think you both are on the same page. You both are mirroring because the Star and Hangman came twice. So Seven of Cups, maybe they are fantasizing about you, they are dreaming about you. For some, you person also confused. They're thinking about you a lot. For some, you person have option. but they are going to be choose you because they want this happiness with you. And the star, definitely they are also hoping for something good in this relationship. And two of wands, this again, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. So let's see their intentions. Yeah, I think you both are mirroring definitely. And the fool, they want brand new beginning with you. They want to take leap of faith. Maybe they, for some, you both have trust issues between both of you. And nine of swords, they are missing you. They're losing their nights over you, Sagittarius, and they want success in this connection. For some, your person is already popular person, and ace of cups in their field. And ace of cups, definitely this person have love for you. Definitely they are going to be choose you. If they have option, they are going to be choose you. They want success in this connection. They are missing you badly. If you are in separation with this person, now they're realizing you both. If you are not in separation, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level, and they want brand new beginnings with you, and they want success in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, again Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Maybe your person is waiting more right now. They're waiting for something or for someone. Maybe they're waiting for right time to approach you, but they are planning to communicate with you because eight of wands energy. Definitely in near future there will be growth, especially in the month of May. You will receive some communication because eight of wands energy is here. Definitely they're planning to communicate. And ten of cups again. Definitely they're missing you so much and they want this happiness with you, Sagittarius. I think you both are on the same page. I already told you, and you are also waiting. Still, there is a lot of passion. I think even though you both are separated, there is a lot of passion and attraction between both of you. And Knight of Pentacles, yes, they are planning to come back, but again, this time they are serious. They're making plans and they will execute also. Definitely, they are planning to come back. Maybe you are also waiting on them. You both are on the same page, mirroring each other, and you both are attracted to each other. A lot of passion. Devil, you both are obsessed with each other. I think you both are connected, obsessed with each other. What I'm getting here, or the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. And Page of Swords. Definitely spying is going. Maybe one person is spying on the other person. Maybe you both are spying on each other. Definitely spying is going. For some children's also involved in this connection. Yes, you both are obsessed with each other. You both are passionate towards each other. Definitely they're planning to communicate with you, Sagittarius. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Sagittarius. Maybe one person is addicted to some bad habits also. It could be you or your person. Maybe for some this person may be toxic for you. They are in and out of your life. Always telling words but not showing any actions. Separation for some. Yes, definitely for some you both are in separation. I want to be honest with you. And I'm serious about you. I want you back. Wow. And trust issues. Yes, I already told you. So the messages are separation, trust issues. I want to be honest with you. I'm serious about you and I want you back. I have regrets. So these are the messages from your person end. So take what resonate. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck. Sagittarius for you. and you are good enough. Full moon in Virgo, adjustments are required. Third quarter moon. So if you are feeling that you are not good enough, this is the message for you. You are good enough and adjustments are required. Even though this person will come back, definitely for some, definitely there is a chance for communication, but then also some adjustments are required. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.